are going to a car wash called Rojo. We've never been here before, so I decided to make a YouTube video and upload it. Well, there you go, guys. So we're going to Rojo's for a car wash. Let's do this. Are you ready, guys?
Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Ow.
Yeah, I'm recording, so just so you know, I'm recording. So
Yours must be folded in. I'm trying to fold my hands in. Okay, we'll just go like that then. There you go. There you go.
okay, we can go. Let's do this. You ready, everyone?
This is my first time here. I don't know what I'm doing.
All right, let's do this. Guys, here we go. This is the car wash.
Please place the car in neutral and take your foot off the brake.
It's called a Rojo's car wash. So this is our first time being in here, and I'm recording this. Yeah, I'm recording this.
Wow.
Whoa, that's crazy, right, guys?
Oh, that's cool.
Very.
Yeah, see the bike poop come off.
Hey, don't mention that. I'm recording. People will be grossed out.
Nice one, Mom. Nice. Here we go.
Here we go. Whoa.
Awesome.
Yeah, it is. Right, guys?
Yeah. You like this one? Yeah, it's okay. You wouldn't want to do this one again. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, cool. Wow, that's cool.
That was fun. Do you want to pay here, Mom? Your car is shorter than 7 feet and 6 inches? That's crazy. It's still spinning, bro. Mom, I'm trying to record here.
And I'm trying to clean up the mess that you made.
Yeah, it was an accident. Can't see. Can't knock.
Pick your feet up.
I'm recording! Can I record you cleaning?
I'm sorry, I just need you to pick your feet up.
And post it on YouTube? Can I also post it on YouTube?
No, I don't care.
Wait, stop.
Move.
Oh my god. That looks like the target ball. I'm okay. Get back in the car.
Yeah, really? How you put vacuum cleaner?
Block your ears away!
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Take that. Put that in your bag. Ugh. I can't. I'm sorry.
Oh, stop. Whoa. I'm okay. I'm okay, everyone. Ah! Ah! Why?
So I can finish cleaning up.
Guys, guess what I found? I found a wagon. Whoa. That's right. I found a wagon with Kleenex on it. Why is there a wagon? That is so weird. I can't believe they brought a wagon to Rojo's. Are we done?
Yeah.
We're done. Yes, we're done. Elaine, the good news is we're done. Now we can leave Rojo's.